Hi, this question has appeared on 27 September 2024 in the Math Paper 1 Primary Class 6 of Board Examination in Singapore. I have solved this fantastic question through two methods, sharing with you one of them. Here, there are two boards, board 1 and board 2. Board 1 has been pinned with 22 paper hearts, and board 2 has been pinned with two numbers of paper stars. The difference of them is 20. So first we need to find the least number of each shape to be pinned so that two boards have an equal number of them. And since one child or one student pick either 8 paper stars or 5 paper hearts, so the LCM of 8 and 5 will be equal to 8 multiplied by 5, that is 40. So this is the least number of paper stars that can be pinned on board 2. So let's do that. We add 40 number of paper stars on board 2, so which makes total of 42 paper stars on board 2. And to pin 40 numbers of paper stars on board 2, the least number of students required will be 40 over 8. So this makes 5 students. We need 5 students, minimum of 5 students required to pin 40 numbers of paper stars on board 2. So on board 1, the number of paper hearts required to be pinned will be 42 minus 22, that is 20. So we need to add 20 paper hearts on board number 1 to make it 42 paper hearts on that. So now the two boards have equal number of shapes on them. And to add 20 numbers of paper hearts on board 1, the number of children or student required will be 20 over 5, that is 4. Hence, the least number of children in the class is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. And this is the answer for this fantastic question. So friends, please like and share this video and for wide circulation, and to support me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.